Are you sure?
Doing the first bit. This lot are doing the tying. We've got one finished over here.
I can't reach because of that.
We've got normal other kids just doing work. And then we've got some other lolly lays that we're going to try and make too. So here we go. Kids are making lolly lays today. They do a good job. So their job is to do, place the glad wrap out, place the lollies on, roll it up. And these guys' job is to do the ties. So they're doing this bit. Might need to get a few more doing this job. Okay, who wants to do some tying? Katana, Sophie, come help. Just ask them what you have to do. Nice look. Hey, Maddie. Oh, did you? Did you like it? It's huge, eh? Okay, so look, these kids doing their work. Okay, move on to your next thing. They're finishing off. Everyone's got their writing, or maths, or your reciprocal reading. So, come on, Nick. Do some work. And these lot over here, it's a bit messy on my desk today. And this lot are going to try making these lolly lays. So yeah, that's how. Look at all this rubbish. Wow. It's going good. Good day.